The point of this demo is to show how it's possible to delete a replication controller while leaving its pods untouched. In order for this demo to work, we've got to recreate the same replication controller that we just zapped a moment ago. So let's open up the same YAML file. The API version is v1. The object kind is replication controller. The name of our object is Nginx. As before, we want 3 replicas of our pod. Each of those replicas is going to have a label that's app equal to Nginx, and then there is the pod spec. There's just one container which is Nginx on port 80. All of this is old hat by now. Let's go ahead and create this replication controller using kubectl create -f. This is a halfway house, neither completely declarative nor completely imperative. If we now list the pods in our cluster using kubectl get pods, as expected, we are going to see 3 replicas, all of which are governed by this replication controller object. Let's now delete the replication controller using kubectl delete rc, but this time with a crucial difference. We are going to specify the cascade flag to be equal to false. As the name would suggest, this is going to delete the replication controller object, but it's going to leave unaffected the underlying pods. And this is something which we can confirm for ourselves by running kubectl get pods. There are 3 pods exactly as before. Note that these 3 pods are now unprotected by any auto healing mechanism. So if we were to delete these pods, they are not going to be replaced or resurrected by any higher level object.